Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning! This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute motivation. Bringing you another quote to help try and kickstart your day, and here are those words of wisdom. Instead of wiping away your tears, wipe away the people who created them. A lot of people are going to cause heartache, pain, and cause a lot of tears in your life. There will be some who do this on a continual basis, time after time. But the time for change is now. Why let someone continually cause you the pain and leave you puffy-eyed? It's time to cut the rubbish and lose the root problem of every tear you have out there. Your smile says a million things, so it's probably best that you start to wear it.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.